Gang, how you going? And welcome to a mail call. iFlight here. Not too sure what this is, but it looks like a Chinese packaging. Feels pretty light, so. Okay, so courtesy of our good friends over at Banggood. Again, welcome to my drone review and drone crashing and drone recovery and driving live and live streaming and all cool things channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thanks for dropping by. This is the I'm not too sure, looks like an egg. It's a JJRC H65. It's the apparently it's about 5.5 centimeters. It's 2.4 gig. It's gravity sensor, altitude hold, and it's foldable, which is just as well because it's a very unusual looking thing. And it's gold. 2 AAA batteries. Okay. On the box here, what does it say? G sensor control, so it's the old hand control, much like I would say the other JJRC I have. Foldable arms, altitude hold, LED lights. Ooh, okay, yeah, that's definitely an Easter egg. So inside we get some manuals.
Major sport plus. Get some bugs on how to control it. Everything. Master shooter, how to play. It's a game. Terrific.
So in the packaging we have a controller with some directions on it. So stop, I'd say that's the light, and no idea. Accelerate, decelerate, button up the top here. This is your start key. Push it in and obviously steer around the place. Headless mode number 3, which I'll never touch. 4 calibrates. There you go. 5 is obviously the power switch. 6 on the left here operates the lights, and this one here, number 7, very important, emergency stop. Okay. Bag in here with your normal crappy screwdriver that no one ever uses. We have a USB adapter here, obviously for charging, I would suggest. And we have it, the egg. Yeah, it's pretty freaky. Yeah, the egg measuring in at nearly 8 centimeters by approximately 6 centimeters. Yeah, I haven't read anything or done anything. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that looks like an off button there. Okay. No idea. Don't know. Looks like we flip that up there, maybe. Oh, underneath that we find a little 300 milliamp hour battery. So that obviously plugs straight into there. Okay. That's the first job out of the way. I think I managed to do that without ballsing it up. Oh, okay. Oh, shut the front door. And I thought that was a power switch. Let's do that again. That fairly scared the crap out of me, guys. Right, it goes from 0 to hero to push a button. So, what I would suggest doing is holding it from the top and bottom and pushing in the button underneath. Once, one comes out, twice, 3 times, and everything comes out. Maybe that's a long press for on off. It is. Okay, so once you've pushed that to deploy the legs and everything, you give it another push and it turns it on. Hey, what do you reckon? Should we start it up? Heck yeah, why not? Okay, a long press to turn it on, so it dicky that on off. Flick it on and push it forward and back. To pair it, you'll hear it beep. Now to start it by memory, you push the button in here and she starts. Okay. I'm going to go outside and have a quick fly. This is what do you reckon, guys? Oh, hell yeah. Mash out a quick flight and have a fly. So your normal controls, so pushing forward to go up, back, 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 back. Ooh. Okay, so to calibrate the drone, you long press it for 5 seconds. She's on. Okay, let's calibrate it. Long press this calibration button for 5 seconds. That's a good 5 seconds. Okay. Alright, let's have a quick fly.